Want to program a key fob for your 2001 Chevy Silverado? It's a straightforward process you can do yourself, saving time and money. Your Silverado's key fob operates on a 314 MHz RF signal. Programming involves putting the vehicle into learn mode and then pairing the fob. Step 1. Enter the vehicle with your key and the door open. Step 2. Turn the ignition to on, engine off, and back to off 3 times within 10 seconds. Step 3. Open and close the driver's door 3 times. Step 4. Turn the ignition back to on. The vehicle should now be in programming mode. Step 5. Press the lock or unlock button on your key fob to pair it. You may need to repeat for multiple fobs. This process typically takes only 5 to 10 minutes. Ensure your fob is GM compatible to avoid frequency mismatches. If the DIY programming method doesn't work, several common issues could be causing the problem. The most frequent is a dead battery in the key fob itself. Always check and replace the CR2032 battery first. Another common culprit is wiring corrosion, especially in older vehicles. Inspect the connections and clean them if necessary. Finally, if the receiver module or RCDLR is damaged, it may require professional attention. While the 2001 Silverado's key fob system is aging, modern developments offer alternatives. Aftermarket key fob programmers, available online, allow reprogramming through the OBD2 port. Adapters may be needed for full compatibility with this older model. Smartphone apps combined with Bluetooth modules can integrate aftermarket remotes, bringing modern technology to your truck. Universal remotes provide enhanced compatibility across different vehicle systems. Remember, for basic functionality, the standard DIY programming method remains a cost-effective solution. Always consult your vehicle's service manual or a professional before making electrical modifications.